I'll go online shopping and instantly be inspired to be the best person that I can be.
Dollskill is super dope because they represent all types of shapes, sizes, ethnicities, bringing that divine feminine rock star attitude.
Dollskill is for the creative, the imaginative, and it's for everybody.
They are so versatile and so accepting. That's like something that's really going to push their brand forward.
Dollskill is all about fashion and it helps us be unique and original, and I just love that. That's what I love about it. I get to express myself through the clothing.
This brand itself helps celebrate people radically expressing themselves. Honestly, I wear Dollskill shoes, the platforms, every day, and I love them. I feel powerful. You can wear crazy clothes without feel crazy, and the brand is so different than other brands.
Your aesthetic is your own, and you are here to find it.
Dollskill really inspired me to kind of just branch out. I was born with amniotic band syndrome, so I'm missing my hands and I wear a prosthetic. So I feel like, people like me need a platform too. So I came out here to unleash my inner beast.